Assalamualaikum my dear students, I hope you all are doing good. I'm your English teacher. Take out your English textbook. Before Eid break, we read about a little girl named Anna. She was very lazy and she didn't like to work. One day she wanted to go outside to play, so her mother told her that you can go outside, but you have to observe what different animals do in the woods. So in the woods she met with different animals. At first she met with a squirrel. So today we will continue that which other animals she met with. So as Anna moved further, she met a bee. Bee means honey bee. She asked her, "Little bee, do you like to work?" Anna asked to the bee that, "Do you like to work? What do you mean?" Bee said that, "What do you mean?" The buzzing bee said. Buzzing means murmuring or slow humming sound. "That is all I do. I am always collecting nectar." Nectar means sweet liquid in flower to make honey, and I do not have time to waste in play. So bee said that I am always collecting nectar, liquid in flower, sweet liquid in flower, and I have to make honey, and I do not have time to play. The little bee cried, means shouted, and flew towards a bunch of roses. Okay, she shouted on Anna and then she moved towards she flew towards a bunch of roses. Anna walked along very slowly as she was thinking about what the squirrel and the bee had said. Now Anna was thinking about the squirrel and the bee, what they said to Anna. Down the path she met a tiny ant. Tiny means small ant. As you can see in the picture, this is an ant carrying a large crumb of bread. Crumb means piece of bread, as you can see in the picture. Dear ant, don't you think that the crumb of bread is too heavy for you? Anna said to the ant that, "Don't you think that the crumb of bread is too heavy for you? Leave it and come play with me." She said that, "Leave this crumb of bread and play with me. I do not mind how heavy it is." The ant said that, "I don't mind how heavy it is." The ant said firmly, means with power. "I am glad," means I am happy, "I found it and I am going to carry it to my home. I am very happy that I found this crumb of bread," and said to the girl that I am very happy and I am going to carry it to my home. I cannot stop to play. She said to that girl that, "I cannot stop to play with you." The little ant hurried along her path with her load. Hurried means move fast. Sadly, Anna sat down on a stone, as you can see. "There is no one to play with me," she thought to herself. Her eyes sparkled brightly, sparkled means shine brightly, as she looked at the plants growing nearby. She looked at the plants growing nearby. All the tiny creatures have their chores to do. Chores means housework to do. But I think plants do not work. Okay. She looked towards the plants and she thought that all tiny creatures have their housework, but I think plants do not work. So I am sure you do not have any work to do, sweet plant. Now she was talking to the plant. She asked a plant growing near the stone. She asked to that plant growing near the stone. Oh no, I'm always busy working very hard. The plant replied promptly, means quickly. Plant replied to that girl that I am always busy and I work very hard. I gather sunbeams every morning and store them carefully in my leaves all day long. Plant said to that girl that I gather sunbeams. Sunbeam means a ray of sunlight, and I store them means to keep something. Store means to keep something. I store them carefully in my leaves. Plants store sunbeams in their leaves and all day long. My roots soak up. Soak means absorb all the moisture, means water, and I can find deep down in the ground. All plants must work to make their food or they will never grow. So, all plants need food to grow. So, the sunbeams and the moisture, this is the food of plants. So that's why plant said to that girl that all plants must work to make their food, because without food they will never grow. Anna observed that each and every living thing must work hard to succeed, means to get result. Succeed means to get result. So she rushed back to home to her mother and said, "Dear mother." Rushed back means go back to home, and said to her mother, "All the squirrels, bees, ants and plants work very hard." Anna said to her mother that all the animals and plants work very hard. I am the only idle one. Idle means lazy. I am the only lazy one. I have understood that working hard is important. Now she understood that hard working is very important. So, and from now on, I will always complete my homework on time, and I also help you with the household work. So she realized that hard work is very important. So that's why she said that from today I will always complete my homework and I will help you with the household work. The mother was delighted, means mother was very happy to listen to her daughter. Anna had finally realized, means understood the importance of hard work. So finally Anna realized that importance of hard work. So I think this lesson is clear to you. This is enough for today, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.